Then we can remove, but this is very difficult.
Oh, it's almost removed, Professor.
Yes.
Oh, yeah.
Hello everyone, I'm Cole.
I'm Fatima.
I am Maria.
We are
May.
If you take a look at the metal on the tables, yes, today's topic is carbon-inspired material. That is regarded as advanced material for our next generation. It looks like the football, is it?
Yes.
Yes. Personally, I like playing the soccer ball outdoors, so we can find a better times to go outside to soccer together. So today,
Professor.
yes.
Actually, I don't like soccer. I think it's only for men.
No. Mariam, today's topic is not soccer. It's about carbon-inspired material. A very useful for your research works.
Professor,
Yes.
I think it's a little bit out of date.
Yes.
It has a long history, it's more than 20 years, but still it's very important. Many scientists attempt
Sister
to
Fatima,
use it.
how about if we
So-
find another topic more
No,
interesting?
hello?
Yes.
So
you know,
this
the
carbon
second season
inspired.
of Squid Game will be released
No,
this year.
hello?
Oh,
And-
I'm also
no.
a big fan of this movie.
Yes. And inside that movie, there is Korean candy, very delicious. You like it?
Oh, I found it. Professor,
Oh,
we decided.
Well,
How about
what?
making this kind of Korean sweet candy here?
embarrassing then.
Yes. As a Korean, professor must know how to do it.
Yes, Professor, please.
Okay, I accept your opinions. Carbon-inspired material will be next. And today we are going to talk about how to make Korean sweet candy Dalgona right here, together with several chemical secret behind the manufacturing.
Interesting.
Interesting.
Okay, let's go. Let's check it out.
Let's go.
Prior to today's experiments, what I prepared are burners, and then sugars, baking soda, several tools right here, together with tiny frames. Okay, let's do this. Put your sugar. After that, I need your apple. Keep stirring up until,
Meltdown.
yes, it's a matter of time. That's why I need your patience.
Yes,
Yes.
Professor, I think it needs time.
Now we're just going to use a fire. That's why you must be careful. If you're a kid, you must do this job with your father and mother. Oh, I feel something and then can you see?
Yes. It start to melt, professor.
Right. Yes. And just keep going by stirring your chopsticks. Don't stop that. We are almost done. Yeah, almost. And then stirring up very uniformly. Actually, I don't have any kind of patience.
I think this phenomena is caramelization, Professor.
Yes, it's right. The caramelization and then.
Yeah.
So, can you see any kind of grain of the sugar? No, right?
No,
Yes.
Yeah,
Professor.
it's almost disappear all.
Yeah. And here we just put soda. And then stir it up. What about
Oh, the color
Wow.
changes, Professor.
that? Color change, right?
Yes,
Yes.
even the volume is increasing.
Right.
Yeah.
And
Oh.
we put, and then I can press softly. Then we can remove, but this is very difficult.
Oh, it's almost removed, Professor.
Yes,
Oh, yeah.
yes. This is all I can do. Do you enjoy the process making Korean sweet candies?
Yeah, sure, Professor. We'll really have fun today.
So do I.
So what about today's outcome?
I think the candy colors is very beautiful, Professor.
Yellow color like gold medal.
Right. But unlike the movie Squid Game, it's not beautiful, ugly.
Mm, and especially we cannot make big size like the Squid Game, and we couldn't make pattern, Professor.
Ah, I see. This is my bad. Okay, it's time for us to study. Yes, chemical secret behind the manufacturing process. There are two different stages. The first one, caramelizations. So, Mariam, can you describe what is the caramelization?
I think, Professor, caramelization is a process, slow process, occurs when sugar is cooked in very low temperature.
But what about that? Can you connect this phenomena with your experience today?
I think when white sugar become transparent.
Yeah, that is kind of the caramelization. Second stage is after that, a professor adds some kind of smooth, the white medical powders. Yes, this is a baking soda. And then Fatima, can you explain any observation today?
Yes, Professor. After we added baking soda, the color of the liquid changed to yellow, and more importantly, the volume increased significantly at higher rate.
Right, correct. And then, can you expect what kind of process to be involved?
I guess it is chemical reaction, Professor.
Chemical reaction. Surely must be chemical reaction accompanied with temperature.
Yes, high temperature.
So, do you know the chemical formula of the baking soda powder?
We are not sure.
It will be NaHCO3. And then give it arrow here, and then we can give heat, high temperatures. And what happens? Normally, these kind of compounds, and together with the temperatures, and then we can see
H22
H2O
2 water.
and plus
There is carbon here, so maybe carbon dioxide, Professor?
CO2 plus.
Na.
Yes, Na cannot be used once. So Na should be plus, right?
Right.
And CO3
2 minus.
2 minus. That's why we need 2 right here. Na2 CO3. Everything's done?
We need to make it balanced, Professor.
Yes. So how many sodium on the left side and right side?
2.
1 on the left side, 2 the right side. And then we have to give the 2 in front of baking soda. Then what about the rest of the formulas and the constituent and then? Okay, look at the H. How many H?
1. 2.
2.
2 here.
And then on the right side,
2. So
H is 2, right? And then you can count how many C, how many oxygen, and then everything makes sense. That's why don't afraid of the chemical formula and reaction. It's so simple like that and then. So that's why don't worry about it like this one. What do you think about today's experiments?
the experience today was very good, Professor. The candy is good. The taste is also good because I tasted, and the color is perfect. But still disappointed about the shape of the candy. It's not like Squid Game, Professor. I
Yeah.
think Professor need to do more.
This is my bad. I try my best next time and then.
For me, it's actually my first time, Professor, to make this Squid Game Korean candy. Although it's not perfect, but I really enjoy it. And not only making, but also we learned something today about the chemical reaction behind the process. So I'm very grateful.
Okay, it's all over. So let's call it a day and see you. See you next time.